By gross profit in this question number 18 we are doing. So we need to prepare profit and loss account, and here by gross profit it is given 2,62,500. Now item wise, number wise, we will be treating all the items. No need to skip any item. Okay, no need to skip any item. So first item is discount received. So on the credit side, it will be recorded by discount. No need to write received. If it is on credit side, then it is understood that it's received. So by discount, 17,000. Then next is the commission received. So by commission, if anything is received, that is the income. So 7,000. Then fire insurance premium paid. So it is an expense. Fire insurance, that is 6,000. Then interest paid. No need to write paid or received word, because if you are writing anything on the debit side, it means it is paid. And if you are writing on the credit side, it means it is received. So interest account, which is so interest account, you can open the book, page number 18.29 it is. Okay. So to interest account, which is 5,000. Then rent paid to rent account, which is 14,000. Then printing and stationery, you have to just place the items, nothing else. Printing and stationery figures are given in the question. You have to just pick from there and you have to write in the profit and loss account. Expenses will be written on debit side and all the incomes will be written on credit side. So to printing and stationery, 7,500. Then postage and courier is there, 5,500. Then bed debts. Bed debt is an expense. Two bed debts, which is 3,250. Then depreciation, two depreciation on machines, as it is you need to write, which is 5,000. Then carriage outwards. All the outwards will be written in profit and loss account and all the inward expenses will be written in trading account. So it's carriage outwards. And if it is carriage inwards, then it will not be written here. It will be written in trading account. So carriage outwards 4,100. Then traveling expense. To traveling expense, it is 6,500. Then two bank charges, which is 1,900. I am writing in short. Abbreviations I am using as time is less. But in exam, you can't use abbreviations. You have to write the full form. Okay. To loss by fire, which is 3,500. It is given in the question. I'm just writing here only. To loss on sale of furniture, loss on sale of furniture, 4,000. Dividend received on shares. By dividend, need not to write received on shares because dividend is only received on shares, not on debentures. And if we are writing it on credit side, it means we have received it. So by dividend only need to write. So that is 6,250. Then salaries and wages. So salaries and wages is an expense. So it will be recorded on the expense side. To salaries and wages. To salaries and wages. Which is, wait a minute, 20,800. Then discount allowed. To discount, need not to write allowed, 3,000. Interest received by interest, which is 2,000. Then commission paid to salesman. To commission, need not to write paid to salesman, only commission. You have to just write the name of the account. Then freight outwards. Freight inwards, if it is freight inward, then it will be written on the trading account, 15,000. Then rent received by rent, which is 12,500. Then entertainment expenses, to entertainment expenses, which is 8,000. Then sales promotion expenses. Yes, sales promotion expenses. To sales promotion expenses, which is 7,250. Then miscellaneous income. It is income, so it will be written on the credit side. Miscellaneous income, it is 12,900. Then repairs and maintenance. So that is an expense to repairs and maintenance, which is 3,400. Then telephone expenses. It is also an expense. Telephone expenses, which is 6,000. Then gain on sale of machine. So it is an income by gain on sale of machine. So it is an income 600. Then finally the last item, by income from investment. By income from investment. So you have seen that I have done nothing. Just only one thing I have done. What is that? I have just placed the items, all the expenses. Which expenses? Indirect expenses will be written on expenses side, and all the incomes will be written. Expenses will be recorded on debit side, because it is the rule that debit all the expenses and credit all the incomes, and all the incomes will be recorded on the credit side. So in this chapter, you have to just do the placement, and you must know the meaning in between the direct expense and indirect expense. Why? Because direct expenses will be coming only in trading account, and indirect expenses will be coming only in profit and loss account. We cannot write any direct expense in profit and loss account. So you have seen that there is a long list of indirect expenses. So it's better to keep in memory only the direct expenses, and any expense which is not direct will be coming in profit and loss account. It can be any expense. Now finally the balancing figure will be find out, and the totaling will be done. So this side totaling is, we will be doing the totaling, and this side totaling is 3,32,250. And out of 3,32,250, the whole debit side will be subtracted. So just any account, any other account is balanced. So in the similar way, this account will be balanced. And if the balancing figure is coming on debit side, this will be known as net profit. So I will be writing here to net profit, and the balancing figure is 1,88,500. So 3,32,250. Clear? So this is the balancing figure. This is the balancing figure, and this is the net profit. Further, this net profit will be added in capital account. So you need to write here transfer to capital account. Transfer to capital account. And where you need to show the capital account? In balance sheet, which you have already studied in accounting equation chapter. Here also I will be repeating the topic, but still you people are aware of how to make the balance sheet. So this is all about profit and loss account, and you can prepare this account as per the information given in the question. I hope I am clear with the topic.